rehandle a rake. Got another handle right here. We'll remove the old head, remove the retaining screw. The screw's a little bit stripped, so we're gonna clean that up first. So I'll cut it a little deeper and clean it up. Now we can feel that grabs a lot better. Remove the clamp, remove the wire. It's worked for years, but we're ready for a new handle. This handle accepted some other tool before, so it does have a hole in there. Place the rake in, give it a tap. Tap it from the bottom, that also locks it in. I'm gonna put in a smaller, sharper screw so it doesn't go all the way through the wood because I don't want to weaken the wood. Nice and sharp, we'll just install it. I'll tamp the metal down a little bit so it'll grab into the metal bars. Use the other end of the hammer as well to conform it. You can see as I work it goes around the metal bar. We'll do that on both sides. You don't take the time to do this now, the head will just fall off and you'll have to do it later. We're pretty much tamped in all the way around the top. All ready for action.